What's up, everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're clicking this video for the first time, I'm Sabi. Feel welcome. And today I'm here with another new recipe, amazing recipe. I'm here to share with you how to make croissants in a very simple way. It's an easy recipe, anybody can do it at home because it doesn't involve the fold method. I remember there's a fan of mine who requested me to do this recipe. It has taken me some month, I think a month or something, when I shared my how to do a puff pastry. And she requested me. I hope this video reaches her. I hope she sees this video. You want me to share with you an ingredient, feel free and comment in the comment section below. It is something I know I will definitely share with you. So thank you. So today let's just get started and make our croissants. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe. Let's go. This is a road to 1,000 subscribers. We are heading there. Very soon we will be there. So without further ado, let's get started. I will start by mixing my yeast. I will use lukewarm water. That is half a cup, and I have 3 tablespoons of sugar, yeast 1 tablespoon, and milk 3/4 cup. I'm using instant yeast. Then I'll go ahead and sift my all-purpose flour. I'm using 3¼ cups of flour. And I'll mix it gradually as I sift my flour in until all the flour mix and come together. I forgot to add salt. Just have to dissolve it here. I hope it will work. Yeast and salt doesn't go together, so I was supposed to add it before adding my flour, but I forgot. Would have remembered it while still on the process. Croissants recipe is a French-based recipe which calls for butter, and it has a long process that involves a folding method. It's not so easy to make. So on this video, I just want to show you a simple recipe that I discovered without folds, and I will use margarine. I don't have butter. If you have butter, you can use it. Once my dough is formed, I will add in my melted margarine. You can use butter as I've mentioned earlier there, and mix it well. Transfer it in a floured surface and give it a good knead. Give it a good knead until you feel it super stretchy and soft. Then you're good to go. You can tuck it, form a ball somehow. You can see the dough is not sticky anymore. I'll grease my mixing bowl and place it there. Wrap with a cling film or a plastic wrap and cover again with a towel. It will rest for 1 hour or until it doubles. 1 hour is gone and my dough has doubled the size. I'll deflate to release the air bubbles. Then I'll transfer it again to the worktop. Ensure you flour the worktop and form a rod. or you can just form a circle, whichever works for you. Then I'll cut into smaller pieces, equal smaller pieces. Set them aside to create a working space. Then I'll tuck it in and form a ball like that and keep it aside. We'll continue this with all the pieces until it's all done. Once done, I'll flour my surface, and it's time to roll the dough into a smaller circle. Guys, if you haven't liked this video up to this end, what are you still waiting for? And don't forget to subscribe. Watch the video up to the end. I'll place the rollout dough in a plate as I work on other one. Kindly let me know in the comment section if this recipe is worth being called croissant, since it doesn't have butter. Let me know what you think. I'll apply some margarine. If you're using butter, apply butter at this point. Apply it evenly. Then place your other dough, rolled dough, on top to form a layer. This one will continue until all the dough are all rolled out and done. Then you place the last one. The last one you don't apply, you just leave it as that. Just try to align them. Cover with a plastic wrap, and it will take it to the fridge for 1 hour, or if you take it to the freezer, 30 minutes. My 1 hour is gone. Flour your surface and place the dough there. It's a bit cold. Just try to press it. Make sure you turn the other side and flour the surface. Press it a little bit. Then use your rolling pin to roll it. Make sure you turn the other side too and flour the surface. And roll it flat. Thank you for clicking this video. Watch the video up to the end. And if you find this video helpful, kindly consider subscribing. And to my new subscribers, thank you so much for the support. Once done, I'll take your knife and trim the edges so we get a good shape here. Trimmed all the edges. Once done, I'll cut it at the center. I will go ahead and divide them into small triangles. My knife is a little bit blunt. I don't want to use sharp knife. I'm a little bit cautious. It can cut my mat, and I don't want to spoil it. So you can, if you're not using the silicone mat, use a sharp knife to make your work easy. Then make some slits. Then roll it. Roll it just like that. You already have a croissant dough there. It has been formed, you can see. Place it in your baking tray lined with parchment paper. We'll continue this until all the pieces are rolled. Make sure you tuck in that small piece there to place it at the bottom when you're placing it on the tray so that it doesn't open up as it proves. You see that part? Yes. Make sure it's placed facing down and always make that slit to give you an easy way to roll. And you will end up with that curtail so that you can bend it a little bit on the shape of a croissant. You see? Yes. So this dough has given me 20 pieces. They are small 20 pieces. Wrap your tray with a plastic wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes. It's over, and the croissants have doubled the size. As you can see in the picture, it has doubled the size. Now I'll go ahead and egg wash my croissant. I will add some sesame seed on some of the croissant. I'm just in love with the sesame seed. Then I will take it to my preheated oven. Set your oven to the maximum and bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. My maximum is 200 degrees centigrade. My croissants is in and out of the oven. You can see how lovely they are. So beautiful in color and so yummy. These croissants are very, very soft from the inside and flaky from the outside. And don't forget, delicious, very delicious. Look at them, very appealing. Just see what we got. That's the one with the sesame, and this one without sesame. Very flaky and soft. I will serve mine with some hibiscus tea and touch of cloves. If you've watched this video up to this end, thank you so much, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and like my video so that it can reach so many audience and YouTube can push it to so many people. Thank you for staying here and for hanging out with me. I'm so grateful. I will see you in my next video. Try this simple recipe and bring back your feedback in the comment section. Cheers and see you. Bye. I love you. And may God bless you as you share this video to others and clicking the subscribe button. Be blessed.